every employee expects to receive feedback on their performance. Now, this could be done ad hoc on the job, where you recognize and you praise the employee for good performance and you redirect them for things that need to change. I have many videos that talk about giving feedback, but also employees expect to sit down with their boss at least once a year and do a formal review. Now, I say employees expect this. Some dread it because of past experience. And of course, the boss may also want to avoid that due to a lack of proper training, knowledge, and skill on how to discuss performance and give feedback, come to an agreement on how the employee rates. So I've made it super simple through creating a new training program that walks you through every component of conducting a formal employee performance evaluation session. I have video examples of actual sessions that I've done with my assistant MJ, so you could refer to that, but also detailed explanation of how to plan and prepare for the process and how to conduct the session, and even how to come away with specific performance improvement commitments from the employee. So it's a complete program. Now, yes, you can download my free template, which is part of the program. I make that available for free. But this training, which is very affordable for anybody, really gives you all the tools and assistance you need to go ahead and do that employee performance evaluation session with confidence and make it an enjoyable experience for everybody involved. So I encourage you to check that out. There's a link in the description of this video where you could get an overview of what the program is and start right away getting ready for that annual performance review session. Now, of course, I recommend doing the session more often, and this is where my training is important because it guides you on the follow-up process as well. So it's really a complete program, which is, again, very affordable for anyone, and I highly recommend that you check it out. Thank you for listening.